Tinyschool.
Look out!
Arr.
Help!
Arr. Arr.
Oh, that was fun.
Yes, it was.
Look at this mess. Now we really need to clean in here.
Okay. Can we do something fun while we clean?
Yes, we can sing. La 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 la.
Grandpa, why is it so important to clean up after playing?
Cleaning up after yourself is very important. Otherwise, things will be a mess in here, and soon you won't find anything. And also, it will be dusty, and things will start to grow in here. A good habit to have is that if you use something, you should put it back after using it. Then you don't need to clean as often.
Oh, I guess so.
Are you tired, baby bear? Now we've really done something good. Maybe we should go out and play a little.
Yes, we can do that. But what about Baby Bear?
Baby bear? He's always sleeping so late in the morning. But he can be a little crazy sometimes. It's important to keep an eye on him. Look at him! He's so cute when he's sleeping. Oh no! It's messy here too! Who's the one making a mess all the time? Is it you?
No, not me.
Oh well, I don't wanna clean anymore. Now, let's play! I'm gonna get you! Arr!
Help!
Arr! What was that?
It was probably just a gadgeridoo.
A gadgeridoo? What is that? Now we really have to clean.
Okay.
Huh? Did you hear that?
No, I didn't.
Now it will be nice to go into a clean home. What has happened here? Could it be thieves?
I don't know. We must make sure that Baby Bear is okay.
Oh no! Baby Bear isn't here. We must find him! Quickly! Ah!
Whoops! Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine. But now it's a mess here as well.
Baby bear!
Baby bear!
I can't find Baby bear.
Can you see Baby bear? There he is, behind the couch. There you are, Baby bear.
Hello! Click on some of our other videos if you want to see more funny videos from Tinyschool. And don't forget, have a super duper day!